Anna DuVall now. Anna, will we start to feel the cool down tomorrow, hopefully?
Yeah, we'll start to feel a little kick down, maybe 4 or 5 degrees, but you're right. It is feeling a whole lot like summer right now. That's why we have that on our now forecast. Later, feeling like fall. So we're almost there. We're so close to feeling like fall. And again, 4 or 5 degrees cooler tomorrow. We do have that chance of some showers, and we also have clouds building into the forecast as well. Rain again into the evening hours and those cooler temperatures ahead. That's what we're expecting for our Monday. Going into Tuesday, another 5 degrees will get kicked off of our temperatures, 74 degrees. You can see we'll get down to the 60s there on Wednesday, and you can see we'll stay very seasonal moving into the next several days. And again, this is all ahead of a cold front. You can see that's bringing us showers on Monday and throughout the day on our Tuesday, lingering around Wednesday morning, and then that cold front will pass through, and you can see our temperatures reflect that here. You can also see that reflected on our muggy meter as well. You can see temperatures are our humidity is a bit muggy right now, sorry, but you can see once that cold front passes through, we'll become way more comfortable, refreshing, waking up to those crisp mornings once again, and then we'll get a little warm by the afternoon, but they're going to be pleasant days expected ahead once we get through all of these rain and storm chances, and I'll track all of that out for you coming up in my full forecast ahead. Well, everyone's been looking forward to fall, and we're starting to feel like that. Temperatures are already starting to tick down. I'll show you when that real change happens coming up.
Oh, Anita's out, of course, thanked him for his service there, but it's so much time put into creating that.
Right. No, I was just thinking that must have been a lot of work, and it looks amazing. I mean, Halloween right around the corner, honestly.
Just the kids in the neighborhood probably just look forward to his decorations every year. So cool to see that. But
for sure.
Speaking of, just being outside, I know the allergies are kind of bad right now. You might be able to hear it in my voice a little bit. But
right. Is
this a time where, the weather's changing, so it's kind of affecting people?
Yes,
or?
Definitely affecting people out there. We have some more of that allergy prone stuff getting stirred up, especially with the windy conditions we're going to be experiencing over the next few days. And with the wet weather, it kind of mixes all of that up, stirs it up. So for right now, feeling like summer. Again, if you have allergies, you might be feeling the effects of that. Moving into the next couple of days, though, we're going to be feeling a lot more like fall. Hopefully, you'll get some relief from all of those allergies out there. Taking a live look outside, you can see 62 degrees Newport, 70 there, looking off in Cincinnati. Both wind directions coming out of the south there. So looking like we're getting more of those humid conditions moving into our area. And that'll continue to be the case going into tomorrow. So these are tomorrow's wind speeds. You can see 10 a.m., noon, 2 p.m. winds start to pick up, and you can see they're all out of the south, bringing in moisture to our area, continuing to supply us with some of that humidity throughout the day, making us a little bit more muggy. Tomorrow morning, you'll wake up mostly clear skies, but we will have a few clouds out there, 60 degrees, and you can see those clouds will continue to build in there by the afternoon hours. We'll have cloud coverage for most of the day, as well as some rainy conditions on the way. So let's go ahead and track that out. Again, you can see those winds coming out of the south there, moving on up, bringing us some humid conditions, adding moisture to the air. This is 6 p.m. on Monday, seeing some of those showers push through the area, very scattered, but then we see some of those heavier pockets and downpours push through the area as we go into the early morning hours on Tuesday. And again, that lingers on 4 a.m. going into your early morning commute there throughout your day on Tuesday. Here's your chances of rain, though. Today we didn't see any of that rainfall, but Monday, again, you'll see some of those scattered thunderstorms out there and showers as well. Tuesday, though, that's our bigger rain chance. Again, this is ahead of a cold front, and that where our temperatures are going to feel the effects of that, as well as our humidity. So right now, we're slightly humid out there, mostly dry, though, but you can really see that humidity start to build in as we move into Monday, Tuesday here. Very humid conditions are expected, and then we'll have that dry conditions move into the forecast as soon as that cold front passes through our area. So we're looking to be more dry once we get into the next couple of days, but for now, we're going to be humid, warm, with rainy conditions for Monday and Tuesday, lingering into early morning on Wednesday there. And then you can see those fall-like temperatures on the way for the rest of the week ahead.
FOX19